upon a younger year when all our shadows disappeared. The animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears. Learned our lessons through the tears. Made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, you get older and wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day,
我操！
so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
呜呼！冲啊！小心头顶啊！我来了！小强们，找你报仇的人来了！
捞不到真的。
亲爱的朋友们，请不要再死了！爱你们的马克上。马克上去喽！看他飞得多帅！ 餐后甜点，
我的
马上就来。
哎呀，我的天，我杀他了，这狗日的防御！哎，哈哈哈！我操！二哥笑死我了，兄弟！
哈哈哈！光是看着就够好玩的了。